Okay guys, welcome back to another install featuring my LUVMEHAIR.com unit. I'm bringing you a summer friendly unit. This one is short, easy to style, and you can go absolutely glueless. You can even go without any gels or sprays. So what you need to install this unit is to ensure that you pull this elastic band, or also have an elastic band attached to the unit so that it fits your head. You also want to style the unit off of your head so that you can just plop it on and go. Like, this is a perfect unit for your busy summer, hot girl summer moments. Right now, this unit, all you need to do is add a little water and you can get the curls popping again. So you don't need any hot tools, any wands, any curling irons, none of that. You just need some water, a brush or a comb, and you're good to go. So now that I have the unit styled the way I want it, I'm just gonna go ahead and install it onto my head. As you can see, I have no cane rows or anything like that. I'm just literally put on the stocking cap onto my head, and that is it. And I'm just going to plop this unit onto my head using my elastic band secured onto the nape of my head, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and pull that down, pull the combs that are on the back onto it, and that is it. You also just want to position the unit where you would want it to be. I've already cut off the lace and all of that good stuff because I'm showing you that all you need to do is just to have the unit ready, have it onto your head, and it's literally 5 minutes, if so much. So I'm just positioning until I have it the way I want it. As you can see, you can literally wear this out. All you needed to do was to tie it down so that it kind of lay onto your head, conceal the lace with a little foundation, and that is it. You don't need to do anything else. As you can see, you can lift this off, but it's still very snug, right? This is the key to having a glueless unit, one that is actually glueless. Gonna go ahead and tie this down. I did add a little bit of spray onto it, but this is absolutely optional. As I said, you don't need any glues, you don't need any sprays, and I'll show you towards the end of the video what the unit looks like without any sprays, without any glues, and it still lays the way you want it. So I'm just adding a little sheen to the unit, and as you can see, this is a very full unit. It looks so bomb. Again, this is 12 inches, a 5x5 lace closure, and this is a water wave. So all you need is some water and you can get these curls looking amazing. As you can see, this was very, very easy to install. It was literally less than 5 minutes and it was done. This unit is so easy to work with, as with all of LUVMEHAIR's glueless units. Now, as you can see here, it is totally lifted, but still, once you rock it back into place, it's good to go again. This is the power of a glueless unit, especially if you're busy. Also, in the summers, you don't want to be wearing those glues. Protect your edges, guys. Like, you don't want to, this is the reason you wear a protective style, so that you can save your edges. Also, look at these curls. I love it. It looks so bomb. This unit is perfect for the summer. It is a lightweight, it is shoulder length, and it has a breathable cap. Like, this is the perfect, easy throw on summer unit. It looks amazing. The curls are luscious. Also, it's a water wave, so all you need is some water, literally. Look at this unit, guys. It is looking bomb. I just love the length. I love everything about this unit. If you did, check the description box below. You will not regret it, okay? You will not regret it. Again, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.